Just a quick informative video. This is my water heater. Right now it's operating normally, but it was off for a second. So you do see here there's this status LED that's blinking every once in a while, the green light. So this is your controller for your typical modern water heater. These are your settings for the heat. So super hot water to less hot water to off. There's also a setting for pilot light here. So in my case, this LED was off, the machine was off, there was making no sound. You can kind of barely hear there's a little bit of gas, and the pilot light's being kind of heated right now, so it's heating up the water in the tank, of course. But mine was off, so there's no LED, no sounds, etc. But it was, set to whatever it was set to. So in that case, what you need to do is turn it to the off position. So put it all the way to the off position. There's some internal safety circuitry to make sure that there's no gas available or whatever. So you have to wait usually 5 to 10 minutes. So make sure that's in the off position for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And then what you will do then is push this knob into the first position, which is the pilot position. And when that's in the pilot position, you will want to push it in. Push this red knob in. You'll hear the gas start to flow. And then as you're pushing this button, you will also want to use your other hand to push this. This is the lighter. So this button will push in. It's the lighter. And you want to keep doing that. So probably once per second. Continue to hold the pilot thing, let the gas through, and push this button. And then eventually this green LED should blink again, and that will indicate your pilot light's done. You can also double check your light. There's a little window at the bottom here if you remove the little cover. So once that light's good to go, then you're ready. You flip it on to whatever temperature you want it back, and that's how you restart the water heater. So pretty easy fix. If you ever find your water heater is off, there's no hot water, you can check the unit here, double check. If this LED is off, you don't hear any sound, then probably the pilot light went out and you'll need to do the restart process there. If for some reason you mess up this part of it, go ahead and flip it back to the off position, wait a while, and then try the pilot lighting again. If you fail then probably you need to call in a service technician. So that's how you fix the water heaters here with that kind of standard controller. This is the water heater I have, Bradford White Defender with the Honeywell temperature controller here.